Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome to another episode of the most offensive podcast ever. I'm Slimmy V, and today, or tonight, I am going to be talking about the CDC and them lifting restrictions. Finally, the gods that so many worship are actually lifting the COVID-19 restrictions, new guidelines. Fully vaccinated people can now stop wearing masks indoors and outdoors, the CDC says. So people say, follow the signs, follow the signs. Are they really going to follow the signs, or are they scared to the point where no matter what they say, they're not going to follow it? You see what fear does? Fear is so much ingrained into your mind that no matter what they say, you're not going to listen. Let's read this just a little bit. Look at Kamala Harris and Joe Biden, or as Donald Trump calls him, Sleepy Joe. Anyway, Donald Trump is funny. Okay, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says the fully vaccinated adults, they ain't say kids, they didn't say teenagers, but they say adults, can safely resume activities indoors and outdoors without mask or distancing in gathering large or small. The announcement sparks a major milestone in the effort to emerge from the coronavirus pandemic in the United States. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky announced the new guidance Thursday. Man, this is great. Am I being sarcastic here? Am I really being sarcastic, or am I serious? Let me continue reading. Okay, you can do things you stopped doing because of the pandemic, Walensky said. The new policy is based on recent real-world studies from Israel and the U.S. on people who've been vaccinated, she said. In response to a question, Walensky said the federal mask requirement on public transportation remains in force for everyone, vaccinated or not. Okay, well, public transportation, okay, including on buses, trains, airplanes, and in stations and airports. For travel, we will still ask people to wear their mask, Walensky said. Okay. But right up there, you just said, let me see, you safely resume activities indoors and outdoors without mask or distancing in gathering, large or small, but then now you go to buses and trains and airports and say, but you just said small. You're really confusing me right now, CDC. You're confusing me. But wait a second, why isn't people trusting them? Gee, what's going on? Uh-oh. Really? Okay, wait, what? New York Yankees say 8 fully vaccinated team members have tested positive for COVID-19 in one team? In one team, 8 fully vaccinated team members have tested positive for COVID-19. What? Okay, let me read. The New York Yankees on Thursday said 8 fully vaccinated members of the team have tested positive for COVID-19. MLB, not BLM, okay, and the New York State Department of Health are assisting the team with outbreak, the team said in a statement. The team said Thursday that shortstop Gleyber Torres, who is fully vaccinated, tested positive for the virus and was placed on COVID-19 injured list. They said previously contracted the virus during the off-season. He did. He previously contracted the virus during the off-season, right? And now re-got it even after though he's fully vaccinated. And we're supposed to trust these vaccines. Not only are we supposed to trust these vaccines, but after you lift restrictions, you expect us to follow that. Okay, weird, weird. And this is why I like to kind of put things into my perspective for my audience to see. I'm not going crazy. Okay? Um, Three coaches, Blake, Phil, and Reggie, have also tested positive, along with four members of the team's traveling staff. All of the positive are breakthrough positive, occurring with individuals who were fully vaccinated, the statement said. Need I read any more? No, I am not going to read any more. Okay, one more sentence. Six of the staff members and coaches who tested positive are asymptomatic. Holy crap. So they're walking around with this and they could spread it even though they fully vaccinated? Gee, I thought the way vaccine is supposed to work, it's supposed to reprogram our cell to recognize this virus and to protect us from it. And it's supposed to at least not allow us to spread it, right? The whole that's the whole incentive of getting vaccinated, correct? Okay, so we also learn it as we go and getting informed as to what we need to do exactly and just try to do as best we can to be able to make quick adjustments on the fly. Boone said, okay, according to the team. So, okay, this is weird. All right? And this is actually today. All right? Almost the same day as Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. I don't want to mispronounce her name because I don't want to be known as racist. But okay, this comes the same day as these people lifting restrictions and saying, go back to normal. But yet you got this. This. You see my finger? That. Okay, I'm not going to say any more. Don't want this to be too long. Just wanted to reach out to you guys, let you guys know what's going on and what I am finding out and how I piece things together. All right? So if you're not offended, you're not listening, and you wasn't watching. I'm Slimmy V, and this is the most offensive podcast ever. God bless, stress less, and let Yahweh do the rest. I'm out. Peace.